Thanks, Aditya, for that take coming in on Gale India. Kunal, I'm going to come right back to you because there's a compliment and a query coming your way from Ghosh Dada from Delhi, because he's saying that a lot of times he does his own homework, but whenever he asks your view, it gives him confidence if you give the same view as what he has in mind, and you're the best that he's seen in the profession in the last 25 years. So that's quite the compliment coming in there, and he wants to know about Paytm next because he's holding 5,200 shares. What do you have in mind when it comes to this one?
Thank you so much for that, and that's quite a compliment. And thank you so much, for appreciating that. Now, in terms of the Paytm, the charts for Paytm, what we've seen actually is the stock going through very wild gyrations over the last 2.5 odd years. So there was this point in 2021, 22 in the second half, where the stock had seen a very sharp correction, more than a 50% correction from the highs for Paytm. But right now, from those 450 or 500 levels, when the stock formed a low, we've seen a very steady recovery for the stock. Now, what happens is when stocks change their beta from being extremely high volatile stocks towards a set of trends, when the stock stabilizes, the beta of the stock changes. That's where I would probably believe that the trend shapes up quite well for a long-term play. My sense is that Paytm at current levels also would be an attractive buy from a longer-term horizon. But then, just because of the way the markets are shaping, there could be a point where the stock may provide a sudden bout of volatility. So maybe a 10%, 15% correction is something where you can look to add further for Paytm. But on the longer-term charts, looking at the way the last 6-7 months have panned out for Paytm, it looks like the stock is getting back into a very strong multi-year uptrend. But as I said, maybe buy on dips could be a better strategy.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.